Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. It is Sunday. I think it might be the 17th, maybe the 18th. I'm not really sure, like the actual day, but it's Sunday morning. I just got home from Walmart. I also did do a meat stock up a few days ago, so I'm going to show you that. It's nothing too exciting because the meat I get from the fresh market is from the butcher counter and it's all wrapped up in paper, but I know people are interested to see like what types of meat and quantities and stuff that I purchase. But anyways, all this here, the first part of the haul, this is all from Walmart. I'm going to try and edit this video and get it up today on Sunday, so you'll be able to watch it the same day that I'm filming it. I got a dozen eggs, a couple containers of raspberries, a big bunch of bananas. I swear these are the nicest looking bananas I think I've ever found. They're really, really nice looking. Random, I know, but celery, some green onions for a couple different recipes. I got a couple large English cucumbers because I'm going to do like a veggie dip platter today. I've got some hummus to use up because we're watching football today. I got 2 packages of the Lance brand peanut butter and honey, just sandwich crackers. I like these to throw in my bag for work. My husband likes them and my son also likes these as well. So I got 2 boxes. I got some Farm Rich brand mozzarella sticks because we're going to have these today for football. We're just doing like munchy food for the game later. I got the big bag of the Arby's seasoned curly fries. I normally get the smaller bag, but they didn't have any, and they did have these, so I just got them. They'll just last longer. These are really good when you bake them and obviously fry them up. I got some Great Value sausage, egg, and cheese croissant breakfast sandwiches for Matt. A bag of carrots because we go through carrots and celery pretty frequently. I also got some frozen Brussels sprouts. I'm going to do some roasted Brussels sprouts as a side one day with a dinner. I got Quaker mini buttermilk ranch rice cakes, and I also got the Quaker apple cinnamon mini rice cakes. These are just a really good snack that's a little bit healthier than like a chip, so I did get one of each. I've got 2 gallons of water hiding in the background, just nothing fancy, nothing exciting, just some spring water. I got the Great Value natural smoke flavored almonds. This is the biggest bag I could find because we do go through quite a bit of almonds, so I grabbed those. I also got the Snyder's family size pretzel sticks. My son only will eat the Snyder's brand pretzel sticks, so I got the big bag of those. I also got some cheddar whole grain Sun chips for something different. Some Minute Maid zero sugar pink lemonade. A few of these Fancy Feasts. They're like the tuna in the broth cat foods for my cat, because I don't know if most of you guys who have cats might know there's a major like cat food shortage going on, at least in my area and from a bunch of people that I've talked to. So I'm just trying to pick up what I can when I can find it. I also got the Pioneer Woman marinara pasta sauce. I'm actually going to use some to use as a dip for these, and then whatever's left I will just, you know, make a pasta bake or some kind of pasta dish and use the rest of that up. I also got these for my son. They're the Fruit Twister real fruit and milk, like spiral popsicle things. He asked for them. I also got an Old El Paso taco dinner kit. This is just like the traditional hard and soft taco shells with the taco sauce and the seasoning, because I have ground beef that I just stocked up on. So we'll do a taco night one night. And then lastly, I just got the Mrs. T's broccoli and aged cheddar pierogies, which are really good for a side. So this is everything from Walmart. I think it was like $70, so not too bad. And I'm going to share now the rest of the stuff that I stocked up on this week. Alright guys, I'm in my basement storage room. I have like a storage room literally in the basement that's enclosed. And the freezer specifically down here I use for mostly meat, and then on my door I'll just keep things like butter and stuff. But mainly I just have meat down here, and then the things that I make to freeze, like I've got some frozen marinara sauce there. But this here I just picked up. It is a big, it's all wrapped up, but it's just a big pork butt that I'm going to make a big batch of pulled pork out of. I also got these all natural raw shrimp from Fresh Market, which is Price Chopper, but they changed to, or not Fresh Market, Market 32, but it used to be Price Chopper. And then A lot of the new stuff that I just picked up is down here. So I've got some ground beef. There is chicken breast here, and I get them when they're on sale for $2.99 a pound. I've got more ground beef. I usually get beef, chicken, sausage. This is chicken, so I've got 2 of each. And then there's some hiding back here. Chicken. I think I got 3 of each. And chicken. So I've got 4 chicken, 2 beef. I know there's another one somewhere. I also got some salmon fillets for my husband. That pork butt that I already showed you guys. Where is my sausage? I have ground or Italian sausage somewhere in here. I really need to organize this. I literally just threw it in here. And like I said earlier, it's not too exciting because you can't really see the meat. They wrap it up in a layer of plastic, and then they wrap it in the, you know, the butcher paper to prevent freezer burn, and it seems to work. And I usually go to Fresh Market maybe every 6 weeks to 2 months, depending, you know, if I'm in the area. And then I'll stock up on, you know, shrimp, chicken, beef. Sometimes I'll get pork chops. I know this is, here it is. This is Italian sausage in here. So you can see the links. There's 2 pounds of Italian sausage in here. And then again, I need to clean this out and organize it a little better because normally I'm in a rush and just throw it in. But yeah, that's the meat that I got for the week. And this is what I, you know, keep in the freezer part. In the bottom part of this, in the basement, we just keep like overflow juices, water, things like that, like juice boxes. And then like we'll keep beer in here if we have beer, but nothing too exciting. But I just wanted to show you guys, and then I'm going to share my meal plan now for the upcoming week. Alright, so my meal plan for the week starting today, which is Sunday the 17th, we're watching football tonight, so we're going to have some shrimp cocktail. I'm going to do some of the shrimp that I had purchased from Price Chopper or Market 32. So I'm going to do shrimp cocktail. I already have the cocktail sauce. I'm going to bake some of the mozzarella sticks with that marinara. And then I'm just going to do cut up veggies, crackers, cheese, pepperoni, that kind of thing. And then I'm going to put some hummus and some ranch to dip. And then we'll just kind of pick at it like a little finger food type of dinner. One night this week, I'm going to do chicken parm and baked ziti. I'll use the rest of that Pioneer Woman sauce for the baked ziti. I have the chicken already. I already have mozzarella cheese. I'm pretty sure I have a whole video on this, so I will link it down below. It's also in my cooking playlist, which is down below as well. I'm going to just do some roasted sweet Italian sausage. I'll do some roasted Brussels sprouts and some kind of potatoes. I know I have regular potatoes, but I think I have sweet potato that I need to use up, so I'll roast one of those 2 off. I'm going to make a large pork butt and make it into pulled pork. I will freeze half of that, and I think I'm actually going to make a pasta salad for the week. I might do like some kind of artichoke, olive, like Greek vibe type of pasta salad with like some chickpeas, that kind of thing. I don't know, just kind of wing it, but I think that'll be good with pulled pork on some rolls. I'm going to do tacos one night. I just have that soft and hard taco kit, and I already have just some Spanish rice. I can also just make yellow rice with like black beans. I actually have some black beans that I need to use up, so that might be a good opportunity there. Another night I'm going to do smothered pork chops with rice and veggies. I have a bunch of different veggies I could use up. I think I have a cooking video on these smothered pork chops, so if I do, I'll link it below, and it's also in my cooking playlist. And then as always, I have my freebie night where I can do leftovers, breakfast for dinner, wing it, that kind of thing. Usually we don't have a lot of leftovers anymore because we have them for lunches now, since we're home a lot more now with the whole pandemic. But that is the game plan for the upcoming week. I hope you enjoy. Have a great day. Please be safe out there, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.